أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن استنى بسنته إلى يوم الدين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alhamdulillah, today inshallah ta'ala, before we start the lesson, we say to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this little effort and time that we're giving for the learning of the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and accept it as a good deed for all of us in the day of judgment, inshallah ta'ala, and in the scale of the good deed. We send our salam and salawat on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam before starting also. So today we're going to do some exercise as we promised last week. So first of all, we'll go through the review of the three families that we have learned. Then we'll try to, the exercise will be like we need to recognize words from these three families. And then we try to understand which pronoun it is about. You know, and also in that way we're going to learn some vocabulary also. A few maybe 8-9 words we're going to learn because we have 8-9 brothers here. So each of them will pick one and we can do the study with this one. Next class, inshallah ta'ala, we'll go to the next family. But I thought, before because we have done three family and they're very similar type, so we're gonna do some more practice, inshallah ta'ala. So a few of the words we'll take and we'll do some more practice. And I would think that we also keep practicing with these words some of our Nahu lessons that we have done. Muftada, Mutalliq bil Khabar, and all these things that we have done before, fragments, jar majroor, water this, and try to translate some of the ayahs, inshallah ta'ala, as we go through, inshallah ta'ala, or maybe the fragments of the ayah. So let's begin. So very quickly we're gonna go through our pronoun chart. I think everybody knows about them. They're very familiar with this, but still some of us sometimes make mistakes. Like when you say kum, we think it's them, but kum is you and whom is them. Okay, so keep remembering that. This is the past tense chart, which is easier than the present tense. So you can see that huwa nasara, huma nasara, and hum nasaru. If you look at the dual part, it always has an alif at the end. The dual part, then also it's important because that's one of the way to identify that. So it's a clue that you remember that. And also the plural one, the third one has a wa at the end and a wa with a sukun at the end. Hunna nasaru, hum nasaru. So it is the third pronoun. And obviously the hunna is different because hunna is the only word that has the shadda. So hunna nasarna. This one here, ana nasartu, nahnu nasarna, and these are the easy one. Just the last part is changing. We said past tense means something in the past. The back of it. So only the back of it, the end of the word changing. So anta nasarta, anti nasarti. Okay, antuma nasartuma, antunna nasartunna. Okay, and antum is nasartum. Then we will look at our present tense chart, which is a bit difficult because it has light and lightest version. But still, if you can see, the dual part has an alif always at the end. The alif always at the end, and also even in the third column we have the wa with an alif at the end for the third, even for the antum, the you all version. And the hunna version is also different here. Okay. And this is the past passive, which is u and a sound. U and a sound. U and e sound, and the last letter doesn't change. So huwa nusira and whom nusira and whom nusiru. Okay, and then hunna nusirna. So these are a little bit confusing, but as more we practice, inshallah ta'ala, more read Quran and try to find them, we'll remember them, inshallah ta'ala. And the present passive is the yansuru, or yunsuru. And then we have this family. We'll go through this slide very quickly.
Go back to this chart, please.
Okay.
Two part. This one. Hunna, Antuna Nasar. Antuna Nasar.
No, it is present. So there's no nasar. There will be two. So tun sar, because this is present passive is u and a sound. So okay, and antunna is tun sarna, and antunna in the other one was tun sirna.
Okay, nasartunna. That one is for past tense.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay. We done this already. But still, you can have a quick look. Allama yu'allimu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allimun. And this one, the one that we say ism maf'ul or ism fail. Ism fail takes the form of the present tense of the here version. That's why yu'allimu, the lam has a e like in a kasra. That's a mu'allimun. So just instead of ya you put a mim. Everything else is same. Yu'allimu is mu'allimun. And of course the un is because of it's an ism. So yu'allimu is it. Because a lot of time you will say, okay, the first one should be allimun or allamun. Like this is allamun, mu'allamun. Because of that, yu'allamu. Okay? Very clear on that? Because of that. So instead of ya, we put a mim. This is the same thing actually, just instead of ya, we put a mim.
So this is for all family or just for this family?
All family.
For all family.
Yeah, most of the family. As for 3 families, all of them is. You will see always that one is changing that one. Let's look at the other one. This is another word we did. And the next one, this one, see, jahada yujahidu. So yujahidu is fahuwa mujahidun. See, yujahidu, exactly, fahuwa muhajidu. So instead of ya, we put this one. Same here also. Yujahadu and this is muhajadan. Okay. So this is another family we learned already. And there's another word also. We'll look at some of the word today and we'll know their meaning. And this is the last one we did, aslama and ashraka, adraka, absara, akhbara. Okay. So these are the words we're going to do today. So let's start with Jahangir. Farraka. What is the first list? The meaning of farraka. Anybody knows the meaning of farraka?
Differentiate.
To separate, divide, yeah, differentiate. To differentiate, to separate, yes. Okay. So farraka. So which family is that?
Allama.
Allama family. Allama, first family, Allama family. Okay. So farraka. You farriku, yeah. Masdar, yeah. Tafriqan. Use allama. Allama yu'allimu ta'liman. So tafriqan. Then fahuwa mufarriqun. Then next one, the passive. Furrika yufarrakun. Okay, tafriqan fahuwa mufarrakun. Amru minha farriq wa nahna anhu la tufarriq and zarfu minhu mufarrakun. Okay, mufarrakun. Okay, so farraka, it means to separate. And this word, all of those from the Quran obviously. This word Allah used when Allah blessed Musa alayhi salam to separate the sea. And other places also. Okay, let's do brother Murshid Bhai. Hajara. What does Hajara mean? Anybody knows? Mind. Yes. Hijra is Hajara. Okay, so Hajara, it is which family? Jahada family. Okay, let's do it.
Hajara yuhajiru.
Good.
Muhajir.
There's 2 masdar, okay?
Yuhajir.
Muhajaratun
Or hijar.
or hijarat. Okay, then muhajirun.
Muhajirun.
Then yuhajiru. You wanna check the okay, let's check the jahada thing so you can, because Murshid Bhai needs some. Let's leave everybody. Let's quickly check this one. Yeah. See jahada, so that will be hajara, right? You hajiru. Okay. jiha hijaran wa muhajaratan. Okay, because there's two master for this one. And
فهو مهاجر.
yes, muhajirun. You know, you say muhajirun. People are muhajir, right? Okay, then juhida, so which is hujira. Okay, and yuhajaru, and then the same one, you know, hijaran wa muhajaratan, and fahuwa muhajarun, and then you know, fa'amru minhu hajir, lahmu minhu la tahajir, and then muhajatun. Okay. Okay, next word, brother Zahid. Agraka. What is agraka mean? You know, agraka means? Agraka means to make something drown. Make something drown. Put it down. Allah used this word for Nuh alayhi salam. And Surah Nuh also. Okay, so agraka is
Yugriku,
yugriku.
then Igarakan,
Igrakan, very good. Yes.
Igarakan, then
Fahuwa
Bahwa Mugrikun,
rikun, yeah.
Mugrikun, then Agraka, then Yugrika, Yugrika, then Yugrika, Yugaraku, then Mugrikon,
Same thing,
yeah. So Mugrik, then Mugarakun, Mugarakun, then Igarak,
yeah.
and then La Togrik,
La Tugrik, yes.
La Togrik, and Mugarikon.
Mugrikan, yes. No, Mugrikan, yeah. Mugrikan. Very good. Okay, brother Rubayat. Ankara. Ankara means to refuse to accept. So someone was trying to give something with Ankara. It's actually Urdu word also. Inkar. You know, mujhe inkar mat karna or something. So don't say. Someone? Okay, so Ankara.
Ankara, Yunkiru, Inkaran,
Inkaran. Fahuwa.
Fahwa, Munkirun.
Mun.
Munkirun, Unkira,
Yeah. Unkira, listen, this is the passive form. The first one is past passive. That's why he said unkira. Okay, so the next one will be
Yunkaru.
Yunkaru, yeah.
Yunkaru, and again Ankaran,
Inkaran.
Inkaran,
Inkaran.
and Fahwa Munkarun.
Munkarun, yes. Amru minhu.
Ankar, and then Tunkar, and
Zarfu minhu.
Wazarfu Minhu.
Munkar.
Wazarfu Minhu Munkaran. Munkarun.
Munkaran.
Munkaran.
Ran or
No, Munkarun. Munkarun. Because it's yeah, this one. Yeah, Ran is if you go to the Nasab version. Okay. The next one, Nafaka, brother Dili. Easy one for you. So Nafaka means, obviously we
No,
know.
it says Islaman, so it's Inkaran.
Not the
Yeah,
last
Inkaran is the
last one, Muslim.
Masdar.
Oh, Muslamun.
Muslim.
Okay, Muslamun.
Okay, so that's the one.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
Nafaka means to act, hypocritically. Hypocrite, to act hypocritically. Okay. So Nafaka is the Jahada family, yeah.
Nafaka, Yunafiku, then Masdar is Nifak, Nifakun,
There's two Masdar.
then Munafaka,
Yeah. Munafaka too, right?
Fahuwa Munafikun,
Munafikun, yes.
Yanfiku, Yunfaka,
No, first one is second line, first one.
Mm-hmm.
Yunfiku,
Yunfiku,
then Yunfaku,
Yunfaku,
okay. Infakan,
Nifakan,
Nifakan, yes, same.
Nifakan,
Fahuwa Munfakun.
Munfakun.
Is not Nufika the past passive?
Past passive.
Yes,
Nufika.
Nufika.
Now we're doing the passive.
Yeah, the second line.
Yeah.
So Nufika.
Yeah, Nufika. The first one is Nufika. Sorry, not, we said Yan, right?
Yeah,
Nufika.
Nufika.
Nufika,
Nufika.
Yanfiku.
Yanfiku, yes.
Yanfaku.
Yanfaku. Nufika and Yanfaku.
Nufika is really passive, yes.
Hmm. Then Yunfaku, not Yanfaku.
Yanfaku.
Because it's U and Asam.
Awesome.
Okay. And then we have the other ones. What is the command for it?
Nafik,
Yeah,
la tunafik,
yeah. And the Zarfu Minhu?
munafakun.
Munafakun. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Brother, sorry, you won't probably understand much of it because this class will be going for long. But tomorrow, 8:30, we're starting a new session from the beginning. And some of the people joining, you can also join from home. If you send me your email address, we can have an online session. You can see in your laptop at home, and you can see the screen, and you can hear my voice. Or if you want to come here also, 8:30 tomorrow, you can come here for 1 hour, 8:30 to 9:30. You can sit down now, but probably won't make that question because they are doing it from last 7-8 months, so they'll be up on different levels now. But you can listen, no problem, inshallah. Okay. Okay. Next one for brother Shiraz bhai. See, good word for you, Bashara. What does Bashara means?
Good news.
To give good
Good
news.
news.
To give good news. Yeah, okay. So Bashara, which family is that? Allah family. Okay. So Bashara.
Bashara Yubashiru.
Mm-hmm.
Bashara Yubashiru. Tash.
No.
Bashara Yubashiru.
Mm-hmm. Tabshira.
Tabshira.
Yes. Fahuwa.
Hawa Mubashirun.
Good.
Bushira.
Yeah.
You Basharu.
Very good.
Next one is there, Tabshira.
Tabshiran.
Hawa Mubasharun.
Very good. Wal amru minhu.
Amru minhu Bashir.
Yeah.
والنهي لا تبشر
Yeah. والظرف منه.
ظرف منه مبشر.
Mubashir. Very good. Very good. Brothers, all good? Is correct? Okay, good. So you guys also correct me. Okay. For brother Mustafiz, Hasaba. What is Hasaba means? Hasaba means to, like I'm going hisab, same thing, to hold account, to accounting, doing accounting. Hasaba. Okay, so Hasaba is which family?
Jahada.
Jahada. So keep going, yeah.
Hasaba,
Mm-hmm.
Yuhasibu,
Mm-hmm.
then
There's two master.
then Fahuwa.
No, not Fahua, before Fahua.
Oh, before Fahuwa is
Hasaba, Yuhasibu,
Hisaban.
Hisaban, wa
Hisaban wa
Muhasabatan. Muhasabatan, okay.
Muhasaba.
Mm.
And Fahuwa Muhasiban.
Muhasibun.
Muhasibun.
Mm-hmm. Then the next word,
Next one will be Husiba.
Husiba. Do the
Yeah,
wa.
Husiba. Yes, Husiba.
Mm-hmm.
Yuhasabu.
Yuhasabu, yeah.
And
Hisaban.
Hisaban wa muhasaban. Wa muhasaban.
Mm-hmm.
And Fahuwa muhasadun. Sabun.
Muhasabun, yeah. Wal amru minhu.
Wal amru minhu hasid.
Mm-hmm. Wa nahu anhu.
La tuhasib.
Mm-hmm. And Allahu minhu muhasaban.
Muhasaba.
Sabi,
Muhasabu.
yeah. Okay.
Sorry,
Muhasab.
Talbi.
Murshid bhai, can you do this one?
Assalamu alaikum.
Anbata. Hasan already hisab rakha.
Hisab. Hold up.
Anbata means to bring something in life. Aslam family. Okay, Murshid bhai and Jahid bhai do together. Help Murshid bhai. So, Anbata,
Yumbitu,
Yunbitu.
then
It's a bit difficult one. Yunbitu, then Inbatan,
Batan, then munabitun,
Munabitun. Yeah.
then
Un.
unbitu,
Mm-hmm.
then yunbatu,
Yes.
yunbatu,
Yeah.
then
Inbatan.
inbatan, then
Fahuwa.
fahuwa munabatun,
Munabatun. Yeah.
uh,
Wal amru minhu inbat.
inbat,
Wallahi amru tu anbat.
tuanbat, and then munabatun.
Munabatun.
Last one munabatun.
Munabatun. Yeah.
Ambat mana itu?
To bring something in life.
To bring something.
Okay, Dilu bhai, do this one for you. Dilu bhai and Rubai bhai together. Nazzala means we will know.
Nazala bit down.
Send down, to send down.
Nazala yunazilu.
Tanzilan.
Tanzilan. Fahuwa munzilun.
Munzilun, yeah. Tanzila, what is the word Tanzilan? Do you know which surah?
Listen. Listen.
This is which surah? Do you know any surah that says Tanzilan? Lot of surah has Tanzilan. Surah says that Alif Lam Mim, you know. And this Anzalna. That's a different one. Anyway, the surah says that. Surah says that has the word Tanzilan. Tanzilan Quran. Okay. So yeah. So we are doing the last second line.
Second, nuzila
Nuzila
yunazalu.
yunazzalu
Tanzilan.
tanzilan fahuwa munazzalun.
Munzalun.
Wa amru minhu nazzil
Nazil.
wa la minhu anhu la tunazzil wa zarfu minhu munazzalun. Munazzalun. Okay, good. So I think one or two words you already knew, but some of the words are new. So these are our vocabulary. Okay. For Arshad bhai, farraka means to separate. You know farraka. We know that. Hajara means to immigrate. Muhajir. Okay. Agoraka means to make something drown. Dubano. Okay. Agrata. Bashara to good news. Nafaka is hypocrite. Act hypocritically. And Ankara means to refuse to accept, to refuse to escape. Nazzala means to send down. Hasaba means to keep account. And Anbata means to bring something to life. To bring something to life. Cultivate. Another meaning is cultivate. The crops and everything. Okay. So I want to show you another thing quickly about these three families. Look at these three words. The root letters are all the same. Bashara, Bashara, Abshara. Okay? See, they are all from three families. You can also, the first one is Allama family. Okay? Second one is Jahada family, and third is Aslama family. But three root letters, so same material, putting it into the different container. So in different family, it's taking, and actually the meaning are also a little bit different. How different? And this is a trend of the family. Meaning it's not necessarily every time it will match, but most of the time it match. Meaning this type of word, because as you know, the Quran is not only the meaning of the word. One thing has different meaning. Like for example, what is the Arabic of heart? Qulub. Everybody knows that, right? There's another word for heart. No, sudur is chest. What is the other word for heart? Do you know? There's another word Allah uses in the Quran. Fuad. You heard the name Fuad? A lot of people have the name Fuad. Right? Fuad also means heart. But although the meaning is same, but Allah is in two different words. Fuad means when something, your heart is completely overwhelmed. You're too scared or you're too happy. That's called Fuad. Okay? Or you're so scared that you're almost about to lose consciousness. Okay? Then your heart is fully overwhelmed. So sometimes Allah use the word. So sometimes you will see the word Bashara, or sometimes you say Bashara, sometimes you will say Abshara. Why? The root word is the same. So we need to know the trend of the family. So the Allama family that acts that are a process involve repetition and take time. And if you think like Allama means to what? To teach someone. He taught. Teaching someone, it takes a lot of repetition. It takes time. We can't teach in 1 second. It takes time. Okay. Same thing with Jahada. Jahada, the family, by the name, it means that it's an act. There is a tension against two parties, or two parts. Okay, one against the other. So Jahada family, the meaning of this thing. Okay, if you look at it, there is two parties involved, kind of. Okay, like Bashara means to give good news to the other person. Okay, so it is something between two people. Qatala is fighting. Okay, Okay, hasaba. Hasaba means what? To account. To account what? You're accounting for something. So there's another party. So most of the time, I'm not saying 100%, but this is the trend of the family, of this family. So with this one, you understand what is the meaning of it. Why is this word is used? Meaning there is a lot of repetition in this one, okay? And also here, aslama is an act that's done immediately. Immediately means, when you say I submitted, you submitted, that's it. Akhbara means I inform. When I inform doesn't take time. I informed you, it's informed you, finished. Okay? It's not like a repetition process. So, and this is not, as I said, not 100%, but this is most of the time it means that the family means to this one. The most of the family tends to this one. So in short, this is the summary and practice of all the three families we learned, but we're going to do some more practice in our next class by with our normal fragments, okay? I have few today, so we're going to try to identify these words, and then we will, inshallah. Like this is mujadalat, okay? Suratul Mujadala, okay? Now sometimes you see that this surah name is Suratul Al-Mujadala, okay? Al-Mujadala. But we don't take the word al, because al is to make something proper, we know that, right? There's a types, proper and common, right? So forget about al. Also the last part, we don't care about the last part. Any word, the last part means the form. Is it rafa, is it a nasab, is it a jar, is it a feminine or masculine, it's a nahu thing, okay? We are looking at morphology, the sarf, okay? So we don't need to look about that. Look at the formation of this one. Obviously mujadala, you can see there's a ja, mujadala, there's a alif, so obviously it's a jahada family, okay? And look at the word, what's the meaning of mujadala? Anybody knows? Jadala, what's the meaning of jadala? Jadala means to argue. And see again, like jahada, you don't argue with yourself, right? You argue most of the time with your wife, right? So there's a second part involved, right? So mujadala is also the same thing, the same family, right? And mujadala is because it's mujadala, so it is which one? Which line, which word?
First line.
Second line, last.
No.
Yes.
Second, okay.
Mujadala is the second line?
No, first line, third one. Is it?
It's the mu, so it's the maful, right?
Yes.
It's a maful, of course, right? It's one of the maful.
Oh,
It's in fail or it's a
Masdar.
maful?
It's in Masdar.
It's a master, yes. So fahuwa, yeah. So, so jadala is like mujahada, so it's a mujadala. So it is the first line, the third word.
Third one.
Okay?
Masdar.
Everybody clear on that? So what will be the meaning of this? The person who are arguer.
No, arguing. Masdar.
Arguing, idea of arguing.
Argue, yes,
Argue.
to argue, yes, to argue.
Two
Yeah.
What will be the second last?
It should be muja.
No, we are wrong. It's not a master. It's the one who, it's a jahada, yujahidu,
No,
okay?
because
Jihadan is the master. Mujahadatan, okay? So, and then,
That is
Yeah,
third line
muja-
translated.
mujahada,
there's no
that's what I'm
ha.
saying.
hmm.
So in this case, you are ignoring the tamarbut, I think.
No,
Yes.
There's no
Now
ha.
there is not the root letter, so
No,
Yeah.
obviously it's not root letter,
Mm.
but when we do the masdar, it says it is mujahadatan.
Hmm.
Sorry, mujahada.
Yeah, right. That's the one. Master. It's master. Mujahadatan.
Doesn't
There's
say.
no ha. That's why I'm confused. Isn't there is?
No, but ha is the word from jahada.
Jahada,
Yeah.
sorry.
There's three words: jim, da, and lam.
Jadal.
Jadal. There's no ha in it.
What is that? Seriously, what is the meaning of this word? How many words are there?
Which one? Naz. Naz.
Okay.
Naz.
It's like a
Nazalihe.
Nazalihi. There's no he. It's he.
That is two words.
Yeah, there's two words, right?
Two words.
Okay. What is the first one meaning, and what the whole thing means? It's a little bit difficult, but
Nazal is to reveal something.
Send
Yeah,
to
to
him.
send down. Who send
Send
it?
down.
Send to
To send down.
Yeah.
And he is us. No, say them.
No,
Him.
Okay, him or it.
It.
Let's take it it.
Take it.
Now, what is the meaning of this? Who send it?
We send.
No.
No.
Oh no, not
Because Allah family. So
Nazala is
Nazala is
what?
not the nahnu. end.
Correct.
So it is nazili. What is nazili? Who is the pronoun? Who is sending it down?
He.
No, that's allama. The It's not nazili. It's not nazala. If it's nazala, then it's he. It's nazili. So let's do it. Allama huwa allama. Hiya allamat.
Yes.
Anta allamta.
Allamta.
Okay. Anti
Allamti.
allamti. So in nazala, nazili. Okay. So it's you, anti, you, feminine, sent it. You feminine, sent it. Okay.
It should not be nazalti.
Now because it's see the ya
Okay.
is connected with the he, so in a light form.
Okay. Okay.
It's in the light.
It's the light.
Okay. And then it's connected with the he is it. Okay. Brother Mustafa, do this one. Same similar thing. Nuzzila al-Quran is easier.
Nuzila Quran. Nuzila and then Al Quran.
Yeah, we can see that. Thanks.
Quran sent down.
Quran did send on something?
Quran was
What is Nuzzila?
Nuzala.
Which is Allama family, you understand, right?
Yes.
Which line? First line, second line. Passive, what passive? Present passive, past passive.
Second passive.
Yeah. In the second line,
Second line, first one.
first word. What is the meaning of that?
The passive form.
Yes.
Sent down
Yeah,
by
so-
someone like.
So what is the whole thing mean that?
Quran is sent down.
Quran
Was sent
Was
down.
sent down.
Yeah.
Past tense.
Because it's past tense. Okay. So this is how we need to understand. I know we're just starting because when the whole ayah would be like this and you're listening, it's going to be difficult. But more you practice, inshallah, it will be easier. Okay. Okay. Brother Jahangir, this is for you. Same thing, almost similar. Kuzziba rusul. Think and then translate it. Look at the even the nahu part of it and everything. Kuzziba rusulu. Kuzziba rusulu. Kazzaba means what?
Deny. No, deny.
Deny or to make
Lie.
someone a liar. To call someone a liar, basically. To call someone a liar. So you're calling someone a liar.
Was all
Yeah.
liar.
So who's called liar? Because it's Kuzziba is it. So who's called liar?
The Rusul.
How
The
many
prophets. The prophets too. More
The
than
messengers. Yeah. The messengers were called liars or denied. You can say messengers were called liars. Okay. Okay. Abshiru. Abshiru.
The Aslama family.
Aslama family. Good.
So it should be. So it's
It means what? To give good news.
glad tidings.
Glad tidings. Who's giving glad tidings to who?
So it's a passive.
No.
No,
It's not.
it's plural.
They.
They.
Whom?
Yes.
Abshiru.
Because of why? There's a wa and
Wa.
alif. Okay. And which version of whom it is?
Past.
No,
Oh, sorry.
I mean lighter, same.
Yes,
Right.
yes,
So it's
yes.
not the normal form. That's why the una is not there.
It's not.
Abshiruna become abshiru. Brother Mustafa, you understand? Sure. Okay. I think I have the last one. Okay. Taqdiran, easy. Brother Murshid, for you. Taqdiran. Which family it will be? Give me the family first.
Aslam.
No.
No.
Is it Qadar, the Jahda family, right?
No.
No.
The other family must have an alif. So we have one more left. The other family. See, ta'liman, okay? So, qaddara yukaddiru taqdiran fahuwa muqaddirun, tukdiru yuqdarun, then taqdiran fahuwa muqaddir. So taqdiran is a idea, taqdiran is a master, and taqdiran means to measure something. Qadar means to measure, to estimate. Okay, so the idea of measurement, you can say measurement is the right word for it. Okay, this is what I'll do. Bashara. But there's a little tricky thing. Zahid, tell me, who's doing glad tidings?
because there is alif at the end.
Mm-hmm.
So it is Bashara.
But Rasha, you try who's giving black tie?
I think it's the light form.
I know that from yes, but
So dual.
dual, yes. Huma. Huma is always alif. So,
Huma is the alif.
so they two are giving, both of them is giving glad tidings. Both of them giving glad tidings. I think, do you have another one? Maybe another one, yeah. What is Shiraz? Baddalu. Baddalu, do you know Baddalu means? To change. No, both are same word. Baddalu. So Baddalu, who is changing what? I mean, who's changing?
Therefore,
They form. Good. Okay, so they change. They change.
Changed.
They change. Past tense, huh?
yes,
They change. Okay. What will be the present tense? They are changing.
You but
Yes, sorry.
You but
Present tense,
they.
sorry, past tense is but.
You but they.
You but them.
Okay. What if she changed?
You but them.
two but
No.
Two but
She
them.
changed. I said she changed.
Oh,
Badala.
but the lat.
Badala, yes.
Very good. Very good. See, Arshad Bhai comes sometimes fortnightly and he is scoring 6. Okay.
Teach.
Yeah. Okay, I think I have only this example. So this kind of example, and these are only sometimes only 2 words here, with the pronoun or the like Kuzdiba Rasulu, Nuzdila. I'll bring some more example with few more words, okay, where we have like a fragments or probably a full sentence, and we try to find the family from there and do this one, okay?
So
Yes.
brother, it's the Abshiru.
Yes.
So this one is the past form is Aslama.
Mm.
So it's Aslama, Fatah, at the second letter, third letter. So this one is the past form, Abshiru.
Yeah, you're right. So it is actually, it's Abshiru.
Yeah. It shouldn't be Absharu.
No, Abshiru means they, it's a command. Because it's Bashir, if you command them, no, mistake. So Abshiru will be, Aslam, let's do it from the beginning. Okay?
Yeah.
Abshara, Yubshiru, Tabshiran, Fahuwa, Mubshirun, and then Abshiru is the one that in the second line.
Second line or first line?
The second line should be
Second first line.
Ooh,
It should be a
this is the
strong-
first line. I think.
First line.
First line is Abshara, Yubshiru, okay, Fahuwa, Ibsharan, Islaman, right? Fahuwa, Ibsharan, Fahuwa Mubashirun, okay, okay, and then Yubsharu, and then, Bushira, which is Yuslamu,
Yeah,
okay,
Bushira.
yeah. Abshiru, because I think, I have to check, probably I don't know, but I know you're right, it's Abshara.
Absharu, should Absharu. I think it's from first line. Yeah, first line is Aslama.
I'll check and let you know, inshallah. Okay, next class I'll let you know. Okay, I'll find it now. Okay, and I'll send you the email, all the things. So next class, by the way, I think Brother Mufti also requested, we can have only one class on Saturday, a bit longer, instead of having 2 days because I'm studying another thing on Sunday. So we can, we'll come in the Fajr. If we want, we can sit down and talk, but I think we'll have one class on Saturday. You guys are okay with that? And Sunday we can do some practice if you have any question, if you guys come here, because I think Sunday, 2 days is a bit difficult for Jahangir and everyone to come. So that's one day we'll keep it long, like Saturday, and the other days, inshallah, we'll practice. And as I said, please tell other people about the new sessions will be beginning, Alhamdulillah, in 8 months you guys are almost half of SARF now. So, other people also can go there, in 6, 7 weeks. We started in February actually. And in between we missed out 1 or 2 months because of the Ramadan and everything, but still we came so early, inshallah. So please let others know. So Jazakallah khairan, subhanakallahumma bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.